Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect HubSpot with Power BI. This integration is incredibly valuable for gaining deeper insights into your sales and marketing data. We'll walk through the primary method, ensuring you can effectively bring your customer relationship management information into a robust business intelligence environment. This process empowers you to create dynamic reports and dashboards, transforming raw data into actionable intelligence for your team. Before connecting, it's crucial to prepare your HubSpot data. Think about which specific objects, like contacts, companies, or deals, you want to analyze. Make sure your data is clean and well-structured within HubSpot. This foundational step ensures that the information flowing into Power BI is accurate and ready for insightful reporting, saving you significant time later on in the process. The most effective way to bridge HubSpot and Power BI is by using a dedicated data connector. These specialized tools act as an intermediary, securely extracting your HubSpot data and preparing it for Power BI. You'll configure the connector to specify which data points to pull, ensuring a smooth and reliable transfer. This method provides a robust and scalable solution for continuous data synchronization. Once your data is flowing, the exciting part begins, visualizing it in Power BI. You'll connect Power BI to the output of your data connector, which acts as the new data source. From there, you can build compelling reports and interactive dashboards, leveraging Power BI's extensive visualization capabilities. Analyze your sales funnels, marketing campaigns, and customer journeys to uncover powerful insights and drive informed business decisions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.